Hey guys, it's Rata K coming at you guys with another video. Whoa. Okay. Today's video is going to be so exciting. I am so pumped. I'm excited. I look a little bit rough right now, but it's okay because I always do look rough in my videos. So it's not the first time you guys are going to see me looking rough. It's going to be one of many. Okay, but anyway, so today's video is a really epic video. I am so excited. It's like, oh, okay, baby. Okay, so I've been shooting with my phone recently, and I find it okay because my videos have been okay. I haven't heard like a lot of complaints like we cannot really see you or anything about the quality of my videos, but I feel like it's time for me to release good quality videos on my channel. So she got a camera, okay. And I got a Canon EOS M6 camera. I'm pumped, I'm excited. I think oh, she getting messages. I think it's really cool. So yeah, we're gonna open it because this is an unboxing video. So I think I'm just gonna put it over my shoulder so you guys can see everything. And like if I put it down and like open, it's not really unboxing with you guys, but I could have done it on my own. So when we open it, the first thing we see right here is the manuals. The manuals or the instructions on how to use it. And then we have like this red part which we're just gonna open like that, and then that's everything inside. So I'm gonna put it down so that I can be able to like take out everything one by one. Hey, I'm gonna take it a little bit for the back. Please just mind the background. It is okay. Look at me. I'm kidding, don't look at me, but anyway, yes, look at me. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna take out is the actual camera. Ooh, that was easy. Okay, so oh my gosh, it looks really nice. It looks professional, probably is. So the first thing we're gonna take out, yeah, is the camera, and this is the EOS M6 camera. It flips up so that you can like see yourself when you're shooting your videos. So I find that like really cool. I think that is really nice. And then it also comes with a detachable lens. Here is our detachable lens. Okay, so it comes with like a detachable lens. I don't know what size this is. I don't even know where to look for me to even tell you, so I'm not going to do that. So we're just going to try attach it to the camera. So like just going to take this out. There's the camera, and then we are going to put it on. Okay, and then we're going to take out the lens. And then it looks like this. And then when I'm recording, I can also do it like this. And I think I could vlog with this camera too. I think it'll be like a good vlogging camera. I don't know, but I can see myself. So maybe I could start vlogging, and then this could be like my vlog camera, because it's not too big for me to be like, no, I can't vlog with it. But at the same time, it's not like small like a vlog camera. But I think this is probably a vlog camera. I don't even know how a vlog camera looks like. Let me just shut up. So I think I'm gonna stop vlogging, and yeah, this is good. This could be like a really nice good camera to vlog with. It also comes with this, I think this is the charger for the camera, where you like where you charge the battery. Yeah, so the charger for the battery of the camera. This is the battery, yeah. And then the last thing in here is this belt, I'm gonna call it, that you can wear like to hold your camera, so that's, I don't know, it makes your life easy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm so excited to shoot with this camera, guys. I think my videos are gonna look pretty epic, and they're gonna be really awesome. So yeah, we thank mommy and we thank God mostly for everything, because it is all possible with him. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up. and subscribe. Comment down below on any videos you guys would like to see me do, and I'll definitely do them. Plus now I have a camera, so like I don't have an excuse not to do them, like space wise. So yeah. Oh wait, I forgot. Oh, before I say bye-bye, I also bought an SD card. My mom got an SD card for me, so it's the 32 gig SD card. So yeah, hopefully as like we start shooting and stuff like that, and maybe I release more content out there, I will get like a bigger space SD card, but this is perfect for me right now. So yeah, man, I'm so thankful, I'm so happy. And also remember that you are lovely to God's side and he loves you. Never forget to pray. Always pray, never stop praying, because he hears your prayers and he may not answer them the moment you want him to answer them, but always remember that God's timing is not the same as our timing. Yeah, he will answer your prayers in due time, in his time. So I love you guys to the moon and back on earth. Bye.